Singayithathi-ke kancane kakhulu-ke lento le ye-astrology because ama-problems amaningi esibhekana nawo siye siwabheke kakhulu emsamo. Uthole ukuthi kodwa uyenza uyaqhubeka uyaphambili kodwa umehluko awuwuboni. Uboke uzinikeze isikhathi ubukisise kahle indaba ye-astrology ukuthi ibaluleke kangakanani ezimpilweni zethu. Uma futhi ubheka emandulo bebeyisebenzisa kuwukuthi kuthe ngesikhathi sekufika inkolo bephucwa izinto zabe bebezenza bafaka kwinkolo baduka kwangaba khona umuntu obenayo i-information yokuthi ayigcine. Bathe sebezama ukubuyela as far as I'm concerned akubange kusabuyelwa ngendlela, kuvele kwangena kubuthakathi, ubuthakathi obungelaphi. Indaba ye-astrology iyasidalela iy'nkinga ey'mpilweni zethu singazi, singanakile, silibele ukwenza izinto mhlambe ezingasinikeza umehluko. I-astrology ikuxhumanisa nomveli nqangi, umdali uqobo lwakhe. Uboke ubukisisa ama-planets. This I find very fascinating mina because I've done indaba yedlozi for a very long time, 20 years actually to be exact. And amadlozi mefika emsamo afika ngey'ndlela ey'ngafani. I mean sonke sinamadlozi angafani, abomkhulu, abogogo, abakobaba, abakomama, abahle, ababi, abanolaka, abana-right, I mean abaletha iy'nkinga, mhlawumbe abanye abaletha inhlanhla, abathandayo nabaxabene nawe, abakuflathele. Ubuka ama-planets ukuthi nawo ayi-mirror image yama-characteristics amadlozi ezimpilweni zethu. Kunama-planets amahle, kunama-planets angekho mahle if ekwi-placement ye-birth chart yakho. I've been studying lento ye-birth chart and I find it very interesting ukuthi usuku owazalwa ngalo kunalesi snapshot sokuthi esithathwa yi-universe esihlalayo for the rest of your life. We always go back there ukuthi wena ngesikhathi uzalwa ama-planets ayemi kanje, and then this thing is gonna move along with you. Every time ama-planets emove eshintsha wena uyawa-tracker ukuthi isikuphi le planet this month, kusho ukuthi ingi-affecta ngale ndlela. So lama-planets lawa awafani, akhona amahle saziyo ukuthi ayi mangino-Jupiter and ekule angle kusho ukuthi izinto zami zizohamba kahle this month. Ungaze uyithathise kokuthi ayi nginogogo, especially bakomalume ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi mabe bahle bayangenzela izinto ezinhle. Uthola ukuthi kukhona amanye abafana no-Saturn no-Uranus ukuthi abanye abomthetho abekhama, into eyenzekile kumele ukuthi ibuyiselwe. I mean whatever energy you put out, you know, makwenzeke into uwabona ukuthi afana nezinto ey'fana singathi mhlambe umndawo noma umdliwa wokuthi if icala lenziwa kwi-bloodline kuyomele ukuthi li-reverse-we, komele ukuthi libuye kukhokhe isizukulwane ngoba leyo nto yenzeka and ayikho indlela yokuthi ixoleleke. Uthola ukuthi lama-energies lawa angaxoli ngempela, ane-justice ne-karma ukuthi whatever went wrong kumele ukuthi correct at some point. You are not going to get away with it. And then bese uthola ukuthi khona amanye-ke mhlambe njengo-Venus abahambisana nothando. And into ya-Venus I find it very interesting because njengomuntu odile kakhulu nenkinga zasemsamo, abantu befika bethi mina angiwutholi uthando or angiwutholi umshado, umuntu azabuke ngasesichitho ukuthi ngifaka isichitho, umuntu uyafika ahambe, umuntu uyangiziba kahlali ini. Kanti asazi, like I always say ukuthi kuhle ukufunda uqhubeke because i-placement ye-Venus yakho isho a lot in terms of ama-relationship akho nothando, nokuthi empilweni yakho uthando uyoluthola wena kwisiphi stage, at a young age or with a middle age or maybe later on in life. Zonke lezo zinto zi-powerful. I find it very interesting and I have just recently got into lento ye-astrology because I wanted to find other answers to ama-problems esinawo, and I find ukuthi it's very interesting. It makes a lot of sense futhi. I would like to encourage you ukuthi rather combine these things. Uthi noma usebenzisa umsamo, because with umsamo mina my only query eyokuthi ama-problems awapheli, kumele ukuthi ama-problems aphele kwesinye isikhathi. Bengingakamtholi umuntu othi idlozi lami lifikile la sengiqedile. Ukhona imina engingazi kulungile. But for me, I know ukuthi elami lafika lathi usuqedile, usungenza noma yini enye. Then I started exploring, and then maybe it was then that ngakwazi ukuthi ngihlangane ne-Hare Krishna movement eyangisiza kakhulu to open my heart chakra. And then ngase ngiyaqhubeka ngafunda indaba ye-astrology because I'm always on the move trying to find nje ama-answers to ama-problems esinawo singabantu, because I believe ukuthi umuntu uma enenkinga kumele ukuthi akwazi ukuthi ayisolve, or kumele ukuthi abe ne-understanding yayo yokuthi isukaphi yaphi, njengoba ihleli la le nkinga izophela nini, kungabi inkinga of a lifetime, especially because I've seen ama-generations eswalandelayo enza into yedlozi baze bayohamba emhlabeni umuntu kungakalungi. Uthi mehlele umuntu ebala kubalele ukuthi ngisazokwenzela lo nalo nalo nalo, uvele udunyelwe ikhanda ukuthi why lento ingasapheli. Kanti maybe it's because thina sistike kakhulu entweni eyodwa, and asizi elevate ke vibration wise, asibuki izinto ngehlo, I mean angazi sibuka ngendlela eyodwa kuphela. And yet at the end of the day sonke we're just human beings, doesn't matter the color of the skin, we are just a spirit occupying this body. I-universe nama-laws aya-applya kithina sonke. If you can look out and use amanye ama-laws of the universe, because the energy is just one, use those energies zike wena ezikhona and in abundance for us ukuthi siyisebenzise ukuze usolve ama-problems akho. But the thing is, if usazibuka ngokuthi mina ngiyileli bala, then uzosebenzisa ama-methods asetshenziswa abantu baleli bala, not realizing ukuthi yes, this is the body, it carries a spirit. The spirit has no color. The spirit is just a spirit, and ngelinye ilanga le spirit siyophuma la wena mawusuthule lo mzimba wakho sihambe siyongena kumuntu welinye ibala. That is why kube nale saying yokuthi I am black bodied, the other person is Indian bodied, the other person is white bodied, because into esikhuluma ngayo la is spirit, not kahle the body. But anyway ke I'm just saying that's what it is. So for me really I will always be grateful to Hare Krishna movement, because bangisize kakhulu ngafunda nokumeditate, because mina my mind had always been busy. The time ngenza into yedlozi kuphela kuukuthi ngilapha abantu umuntu ngena nenkinga day in day out, I couldn't meditate. I couldn't, because my mind was always busy. But when I went there, I learned to meditate, I learned to calm my mind, and then it opened up a whole new world for me. And I really, seriously, that is why ngakwazi ukukhula ngangena kule nto ye-astrology, and then it finally made sense. Why is it that it never made sense before? I would read ima-horoscope ukuthi ingawenzi umqondo kumina, kanti it's because nami umqondo wami ungakavuleleki ukuze ngi-understand. And it's not only the planets affectayo, kunama-houses as well asho i-aspects of life yakho. I was stunned when I read something about me yokuthi last year around February, i-planetary placement yami, it was positioned in such a way that an overseas trip was open for me ukuthi I can embark on. And miraculously, I found myself going to India. Into engangazange ngize ngiyiplan. But when I went back sengibuyile and I read my horoscope and my planetary placements, I realized ukuthi there was a house with overseas trip that was open. Manje I am fascinated till this day, because I understand ukuthi knowledge is important, because knowledge ihambisana nokuzi elevate consciously. When you elevate yourself, kahle kahle vibration is in knowledge. So when you know more, vibration yakho iyanyuka iphakame, and then your consciousness yakho nayo bese iyavuleleka iphakameke ukwazi ukuthi unavigate lama dimensions lawa khona. If ungayazi into iyenzeka ize idlule ungakwazi ukuyibamba, kanti mawusuyazi usu aware uba naleyo open mind yokuthi this is what I need to wait for. If ungakafiki kuleyo level ye vibration of something that you want, you won't be able to catch up with it. But once you elevate yourself and match your vibration yaleyo nto ifunayo, uzokwazi ukuthi uyibambe. There's a whole lot of information out there, but ama opportunities ayasidlula because we are not aware. We are always looking with direction A1, thinking ukuthi iyona ezosolve ama-problems ethu, and yet the universe is broad. Inkulu kakhulu i-universe. Umdali we-universe ungaphakathi kithina sonke. Umdali udale konke wazodala ngisho kwalona lelo dlozi. Ama-answers ey'nkinga zethu wonke aphuma kwi-universe, and ama-answers akhona.